Today I'm working on natural gas 80% furnace. Customer stated the furnace is not coming on, so I'm going to check the sequence of operation. So manually with my hand, just careful checking the blower wheel if it's moving freely. I'm checking my voltage, low voltage 24 volt is there. So next step is to manually bypass and call for heat. My inducer motor came on. After the inducer motor came on, I have my glower, which is an indication that my vacuum switch is on as well. After that, my gas valve opens. So as soon as valve opens, I'm getting the flame that it shuts down, which is indication of a flame sensor dirty. So definitely have to check that. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.